Welcome to Home Food Best Food. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest recipes. Today's recipe is instant Rava Paddu or paniyaram. Rava Paddu is an instant breakfast made using rava. There is no fermentation or grinding required in this recipe. It has an outer crispy layer and a soft center. Let's start the recipe. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of fine semolina or rava, 1 cup of bansi rava or medium sized rava, 1 cup of yogurt. Mix it well. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. You can also add 2 cups of fine rava. Let the rava soak well. Meanwhile, let's prepare the seasoning. Add 2 tablespoons of oil onto a pan, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Add finely chopped green chilies and saute. Next, add 1/4 cup of orange bell pepper, which is finely chopped. Saute well. You can also add carrot in place of that. Next, add 1/2 cup of onions, which is also finely chopped, and saute well. You can add any vegetables of your choice. To the soaked rava, add sauteed vegetables. Finely chopped coriander leaves, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup to 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon ENO. You can also add baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon. Add some more water and mix it well. The batter should be a thick one, like a idli batter. Place the paddu pan on the stove and add 1/2 teaspoon of oil in each depression. Next, add 1 tablespoon of batter into each depression. Cover the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Place the pan on the medium heat. Now the paddus are half cooked and bottom roasted. Flip over all the paddus with a spoon and simmer for a minute on a low flame. Flip each paddu and check for the doneness of the paddu. It should be well roasted on both sides. Now this Rava paniyaram or paddu is ready to serve. Let's make a quick pudina chutney before serving them. Add half cup of coconut into a mixer jar, 1 green chili and half inch ginger, some pudina leaves, 1/4 cup of roasted chana dal, half teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup of water and blend it in the mixer jar. Next to a saucepan add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and few curry leaf and add the seasoning to the chutney and mix it well. We always try to make some interesting healthy snack for our kids. This is one of them definitely. Healthy, delicious and instant. Thanks for watching.